So of course I couldn't wait for the snow to arrive. I live in southern Japan, where it's autumn now, but it's so hot still. So taking the Insta360 out for a spin on the next best thing to a snowboard. In today's video we're going to be testing out the cam, testing out the selfie stick and the 3-meter stick, which is the one I'm super stoked to try. Before we dive into today's video, I have yet another surprise for you guys. So this one was ordered from Amazon. Oh. I spent a couple of weeks researching DJI mic versus Go Wireless Pro 2, Go 2 Wireless. A Rode Wireless Go 2, Rode Wireless Go, whatever. It seemed to be between the DJI mic, the Rode series, or the Holyland. And I spent so long watching other YouTubers, their reviews, Google searches, DJI versus Rode, which one's better, and at the end of the day, I went for the DJI. And the reason being, I just thought it looked cool, looked slick. Yeah, so from my understanding, the Rode system didn't come in a charging box, or I think it came in like a little pouch. And these here, you can see, they come in a whole little charging case, really clean, nice design. Yeah, I mean, you can spend so long on YouTube looking at reviews and this or that, and I spent weeks looking at these, and I just couldn't buy them because I was like, oh no, but the Rode has this and the DJI doesn't have this, or the DJI has this, the Rode has this. And I thought, oh god, I'm never going to buy some if I don't just get them. I just went for the DJI, and to be honest, the whole reason I went for the DJI over the Rode Wireless Go 2 is it looks slick. I mean, look at that. Comes in a little charging case. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, yeah, maybe the Go's better, but it looks slick. So I've brought you guys up to one of my favorite little hideaway spots, and I thought what a perfect place to test out the Insta360 X3 with the new DJI Wireless Mic setup. And to be honest guys, I still feel like an absolutely noob walking around with this camera. I feel like I'm always extending my arm out like this. I'm not quite sure how to hold it. I feel like the camera's meant to point this way, so I'm holding it like this, and it's hard to get used to. You can actually have the camera flat down like this. I think that's how it's designed, and extend the stick out and then walk around like this. But I extend the stick, but I also keep extending my arm and walking around like this. So I had a chance to play around with it yesterday on the skateboard, and I realized that you can actually just keep it natural, and you can walk like this and then worry about the camera after. So what I'll try and do this video is I'll go for a little walk and try and keep my hands more natural like this, and then talk, and hopefully the DJI wireless mic picks up all the audio, and then I'm able to put it in the edit after. So one thing to point out when looking into the DJI wireless mic was the Rode wireless system actually has a built-in mount, I guess, for the Insta360. Where you can put the receiver on the Insta360 camera and then connect to the receiver mic. So a lot of people were complaining that DJI doesn't have this mount system yet. So I was wondering, why do you need to connect the receiver to the Insta360 when the DJI mic has the inbuilt recording function? So actually I'm just recording this internally using the microphone, so it's not connected wirelessly to the receiver. And I thought, well, for me, for the kind of snowboard videos, or as I'm shooting the customers with the Insta360 on top of my camera, I thought it's perfect. I'll have the mic system set up. I'm able to talk into the mic while using multiple cameras, and then I stitch the audio in the edit using the software. So I guess that's what I'm going to try out today and see if it's a good option instead of the Go Wireless Rode 2 mics. So today I'll be recording using the inbuilt 360 mic, along with the DJI Wireless mic that will be on me at all times throughout the video. And then I'll let you guys know when I switch between the two. So let's go for a little bit of a hike and try the 3-meter stick too. Okay, let's see if we can pretend it's a drone shot. Oh, well, I'll tell you one thing, guys. I'm glad there is nobody around, because I feel like an absolutely noob walking with this. But when you're with your friends or with a group of people and you're trying to get some interesting shots, yeah, must be really fun. Maybe if I put it in the backpack, slot it in there. There you go, hands-free. I have no idea what it looks like, but I'll tell you what I feel like. Silly. So I won't know until I get back home to the computer and then have a look at the video footage. Where is it? Ooh, right above my head. So it look like a drone or what? A drone follow cam. Oh, I'm so glad there's nobody here. Okay, so now I'm using the 3-meter stick, but not fully extended, of course. It's extended to the 1.2 or 120 centimeters. So I'm hoping it still creates the invisible stick in the editing software using this, because it's quite a thicker handle, but I imagine so. Okay, let's extend it up a little bit more. We're going to 240. Whoa. So normally actually bathing here in the summer. In Kumamoto it gets up to like 40 degrees in the summer. It's crazy hot. So I come up here, and then sometimes in summer this is like about 18 degrees at the top of here. And then these are like ice cold water, but of course it's pretty dry at the moment. Next test, I'll try and walk normally with it extended in front of me and not above me. How do I pretend I'm not holding it? I'll try like that. And let's go for a wee run. Woo. Okay, I'm tired. It's kind of hot today, which is nice. Nice for a good autumn's day. 1st of November. Officially autumn here. So, I hope you guys had fun. I definitely did. And let's just say again, I'm stoked that no one was around. Had this place to myself, which I normally do have this place to myself. There is a few hiking trails in the area, but no one tends to come down to the river. So I'm glad I was able to bring the Insta360 up and test it out for you guys, and of course for myself. So it's about time we head back to the studio, hook it up to the computer, and let's go through the pros and cons and summarize the Insta360 paired with the DJI Wireless mic. So we made it back into the studio. I've been able to put the footage in the computer and have a look and test out the audio paired with the Insta360 using the editing software. So what do I think about the Insta360 paired along with the DJI mic without using any third-party mount, just the inbuilt audio? Awesome. It was so good today. So let's go over the good points. The sound quality is amazing. So crisp and clear with the wireless mic. Very easy to set up, incredibly easy to film and not worry about any connection issues. One, I'd like to point out that inbuilt mic on the Insta360 is actually really good. This setup allows me to wear the mic, use multiple cameras, and then auto-align using editing software. I don't need to attach any third-party mount to the setup. Okay, now let's go over the bad points. It's not suitable if you want to quickly upload your footage straight from camera to social media using the DJI Wireless Mic the way I used it today, as you would need to then auto-align the audio to the video, but the sound in this is so good anyway. You'll have to remember to press record on the mic as you press record on this. The way I done it today is when I press record on the Insta360, I then press record on here. So when I go to collect the clips on my computer, I know the timestamp from when I started to record this and when I started to record this, so I can choose the file accordingly. For me personally, I don't see many bad points with this setup, but I can see if you were to press record on this and then forget about this, that might be a problem. But the Insta360 has such good sound capabilities anyway, so it's not so much of a deal breaker. Would I recommend this setup? For my style of shooting and what I want to use it for, 100%, I love it. But for the run and gun style of shooter that just wants to use the Insta360, I think the Insta360 inbuilt mic is more than capable. And if you did want to add the DJI Wireless Mic, you can get the third-party mount to attach it. I'm not sure how that works with the invisible selfie stick or if it cuts it out. I'm super stoked to use this for my upcoming winter shoots, and I have some very creative ideas how I'm going to mount this to my camera. But for now, I'm going to leave it at that. So over the next few weeks before winter, I'll be here in the workshop, unboxing new gear, creating more videos, and getting the Mountain Swell van ready for this upcoming snowboard trip. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one.